Hey everyone, it's your old pal Hugh from Web Dimensions here, coming at you again with another exciting interview from the Software Corner. And today I've got a very interesting gentleman with me, a special guest, Mr. Erick Salgado from eBusiness for Us. And how you doing today, Erick?
Hey, Hugh, I'm great. I'm great. Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Oh, I'm really happy to have you here. You know, I've known you for a little over a year now. You reached out to me last year about some stuff I was doing with software, and we were both really busy. We didn't quite connect, but it was really great to make your acquaintance last year. And you were talking to me then about this BuilderAll that you've produced now and that we're launching this week. You're launching this week. And so this is something you've been working on for a long time, and it's really, really amazing. We're going to get into everything on that today. But first, Erick, if you would, I'd like to know, and I'm sure my listeners would like to know a little bit about your background and how you got to this point, what's got you to do BuilderAll, and where your journey along the way. Can you share a little bit of that with us?
Sure, it will be a pleasure. All right,
Hey.
so I come from Brazil, right? A lot of people already know that. And I started working with the internet before Google. It's crazy.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like 20, almost 25 years ago. I made my first website. It was a fitness website, a fitness program. That was something really, really cool. And then once I started, I fell in love with the internet, with the whole thing, and started really, really working in Brazil with the entrepreneurs, bringing entrepreneurs to the internet. It was like,
what is the word?
Entrepreneurs, business, small business.
Oh, entrepreneurs. I got you. Sorry.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. No, you feel free to help me with the English. You're still learning a lot of things.
I think you're doing great. It's just every now and then a pronunciation throws me off, but you're doing great. Your English is wonderful.
Thank you very much. And then I launched the first internet course for small business owners who wants to do business on the internet. It was like 20 years ago. And since then, I have been working with people, helping. The whole thing is I'm helping small business owners to get results, presence and results on the internet. And then we launched a local directory. The name in Brazil was O Melhor do Bairro. That means the best of my neighborhood. It became one of the biggest neighborhood websites in the world. And then, we start to sell small franchises by neighborhoods. And we saw that as the internet grow, people was in need to have the website, have blogs, have like leads capture, a lot of things. And then once we already had the clients for the best of my neighborhood, we was leaving money on the table because we just selling the ads of the directory. Then I started to create this platform to help people start building websites, right? And that time, build a website was the thing. All you have to get is a website, a website. But again, we were working with this thing, the internet changed everything, and then we were trying to keep it up. And we came like with this whole platform with everything. So people want the directory, we have the directory. You need a website, we have a website. No, now you need a responsive. Okay, let's build a responsive builder. Now you need emails, let's work with email marketing. Browser notifications, leads capture, videos builder, app builder. So the thing is, in business for us, we don't do websites or we don't do one software. Our business here is help small business owners to get presence and solid results on the internet. For this, you need a lot of tools, and we create a lot of tools and put everything in one platform to help people work with all those tools in one place for one fair price and things like that. So as you said, I contacted you 1 year ago, right? And Hugh, 1 year ago, we were just about to launch.
Right.
And that was like 1 year already getting done. So it's been like
Yeah.
2 years. We are preparing this business to launch outside Brazil. Actually, that's going to be the whole world. We have the whole platform in 4 languages. It's Portuguese, wow, Spanish, English, and German, and we are already working to bring more languages.
That's fantastic.
And yeah, it's been 2 years working to make it perfect. And I guess now we are ready. We already have more than 10,000 users, so we know we are good to go. And here I am, ready to go with you guys.
That's fantastic. Well, you know, when the people watching this see everything that BuilderAll does, and they'll understand why, you know, minimum 2 years you've got, and I'm sure you've have some legacy work put into it as well, you know, behind the 2 years as well. So
yeah.
I had a look at it myself. It's really pretty amazing platform that you've got, BuilderAll, because it's got everything in it. And I know because I build platforms too. You know, I have a lot of different parts. I'm building my own platform, but this is an amazing platform because you've got everything from, I mean, first of all, you've got email. It's almost like an email marketing platform built into it, right? I mean, you've got all responders and the whole email collection thing. So my understanding is you don't really need another autoresponder service for this, right?
We have everything.
But that's just a tiny part of what BuilderAll does, because I mean, if you need videos, it's got a video builder in it. You know, if you need landing pages, it's got a beautiful landing page creator in it. But let me talk about it. Why don't you tell us and show us a little bit about BuilderAll?
One really cool thing about BuilderAll is like we have a lot of people comparing BuilderAll with ClickFunnels, lead pages, and things like that. And actually, those are not our competitors. We are not here to be another ClickFunnels.
Right.
BuilderAll, we were looking for Wix, the site builder.
Right.
As far as I know, Wix has the best website builder in the world, right? And that's
when
amazing.
I saw the word free, I kind of stayed away from it. But I've seen that Wix. I've seen my friends use Wix, and it's sort of a easy, really easy user interface to put up a nice-looking website quickly.
But the thing is, Wix is not for internet marketing. Wix is for the small business owner.
For the consumer.
Yeah. But what we want to do is one better Wix. One site builder that actually works for results on the internet, because it doesn't matter if you have a ice cream parlor or if you have a pizzeria, something like that. You can use internet marketing to bring the clients, to make the clients come back to your business, to get in contact, to emails, push notifications. So the idea is, here you can have just a website for your pizzeria. Here you can have a website, you can have an app, you can have a lead capture, you can have promotions, you can, imagine you own a pizzeria, you can get an autoresponder every Friday, you can send an email, it's automatic. So that's our vision, right? For any kind of business, you can build a whole website, you can build a store, you can do the automation, you can do blog, you can do anything. So today, we have the second best website builder on the planet. I'm not going to say we are better than Wix, because we are not. They have like 10 years ahead of us. But with BuilderAll, you can have as many domains as you wanted, as many pages as you wanted. You can have subdomains, and you can have the whole other things that you would have to buy with Wix. So let me show you. Let me show you the platform. You guys ready?
Look.
Okay, so this is the page you are going to see when you go to BuilderAll. And once you register on BuilderAll, you're going to be here on your back office. Okay? This is your back office. It's very important to say that BuilderAll has a lot of tools. Here we have like builders. We have tools of design. That's awesome. Videos and apps. So you see you have a lot of tools. So the idea is have the quick training here. And here, once you click start, now you can choose what you want to learn first. Build a website, opt-in page, a sales funnel, email campaign, or you can browse to all tools of BuilderAll. So here you're going to have, well, the thing is, you're going to have a lot of quick trainings, quick videos that's going to show you to use BuilderAll. I like this one, and I recommend you guys to go to this one, like build a website from scratch. Okay, and then it's going to open another window. You're going to have 10 videos. It's like 5 minutes each video. It's going to help you to go from a blank page to a whole and complete website, and you're gonna feel like powerful. You know, if you never build, if you never built a website before,
Google Maps, banner, legal pages, Google Maps, banners. You can put custom domains, SEO optimization,
mobile adjustments. And here you're going to do the downloads of the image, and you're going to build a beautiful website as your first thing on BuilderAll. So the idea is, here you have quick trainings that's going to help you to do a lot of stuff. I have to say that. Build a sales funnel, membership website, and here you have another training to build your own membership website.
Wow, nice. And so they can host the membership with BuilderAll?
Yep, you can do.
That's pretty good, because every week we see new membership platforms come and go, so there's another expense that people won't have to lay out.
You want to see that? You have a whole e-learning platform here.
Wow.
So, yeah, that's great.
I mean, so you can just go down the menu. I mean, just look at the top. First, you got drag and drop site builder, but then what's next? App creator, so you can create mobile apps with this. You don't need another mobile app platform, right? That's amazing.
That's for really apps. It's not like for websites that looks good on.
We're talking about, executable apps that load on a phone, not a web browser that you could see anywhere. But we're talking about real apps that you install on a phone. So that's fantastic.
Yes. Let me show you here on the site builder, new website, for example, right? So wait, this account is in Portuguese. Let me put this account in English. Yeah, again, you have a lot of languages here, right? So I'm going to put it in English.
And that's for the whole platform for the user.
Now I have everything in English. So drag and drop site builder, new website, for example. Here you have thousands. We have more than 1,000 templates for you to choose. Okay?
Wow.
You can browse here. Yes, or you can go
1,000?
More than 1,000.
That's crazy. That's
So, for example, you can go to landing pages here, and you have two-stepping, mockups, opt-in, squeeze pages, smart opt-in. I like those here. Sales page. Where is the sales page? Sales pages. For example, you have a lot of sales pages here, right?
Right.
And, once you want to add to one of those pages, it's pretty simple. Let's get this one, for example. So we're going to go to Edit. You're going to open your HTML5 editor. Okay. And then, let me check these rules. All you have to do, double click, and there you can just change
that's pretty nice.
Yeah. And the thing is, you don't want to here, you don't want to there, it's drag and drop. You can drag and drop everything. Okay, that's a video, that's a button. You can put the size you want it, the way you want it. Okay.
Really is nice. I noticed that when you first open it, it looks like it showed like a whole grid over the whole thing.
No, that's because you can do that. You can put a grid here, right? And you can do the grid as you want it. It's just going to help you when you're going to edit. Right.
I will say that's way beyond like lead pages, which is really fixed. I guess they have a drag and drop builder, but lead pages, you have to like take it pretty much as it is, and you can't really add things.
Yeah, the thing here is
it looks beautiful, but you can't always do what you want with it. So something like this, it looks beautiful, and you can do whatever you want with it.
Yeah, you actually can. Here you have like a parallax effect on the burners.
That's the kind of dark blurring thing that you've got, like here, like with that photo in the black sort of, and the pink up to, yeah, parallax they call it. Very nice.
You can have a lot of layouts and a lot
Sort
of pages.
modern look, very modern look.
Yeah, inside the layouts. You can configure the SEO of the pages. Here you have all those things that you can add. For example, if you want to add a banner, you have a lot of things that's pre-made. For example, let's say you're going to do a JV page. You're going to do a price contest. You already have something here. All you have to do is, boom, you click, and the banner is going to come in. And all you have to do is just edit. You're going to put the way you want it. Right?
Very
so
nice.
You can do whatever you want. Well, we'll have hundreds of features.
That saves a lot of time when you're doing a JV page or something like that. You just got everything that turns on the JVs, or everything that you need to really get interest in that offer. And I assume it's that way for all of your designs.
Yeah, all of our designs, just click it, drag and drop, edit the content. You can actually start a page from scratch, or you can use one template, right? And here you have the blog app, right? So you can add a blog. You have to save the website, but you can add a blog, and you're going to manage the blog right here. Wow. Here you have your checkout system, so you can sell products, you can have a restricted area, you can have membership websites and everything. So thousands of things. But